What is the deal, YouTube, man? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another vlog, and happy new year. I hope you guys had a wonderful, amazing new year and everything went well for you guys. I am finally back home. As you guys can see, I've been gone for a little bit, but as y'all remember in the last video, my car was literally filthy. I mean, literally dust everywhere. So today we're going to be cleaning the car and installing all the carbon fiber back on the car, just because it's a new year. So let's do some new things. Let's get the car back how I want it, everything done. We'll get the hood paint match, get a lot of stuff done to the car. Anyway, man, enough of my yapping. Let's go ahead and let's clean the car. As you guys can see, we're gonna get a car a clean little spray down just to, you know, loosen up some dirt. And now we're about to get a good little foam bath on here. My foam cannon don't be foaming that much, so don't expect that much foam, but it still should look good. I don't know if it's me, but I got this foam cannon from Goon Squad, and yeah. Now this is one I got from AutoZone. Let's see which one is better. Y'all tell me which one is better. Don't go spend all that money on some people, because all they do is just, you know, get their stuff wholesale and then slap their label on it and sell boo-boo products. Just saying. Anyway, that's from AutoZone for like $25. And look at the difference. My point exactly. We're using this because it's gonna get all the bugs off. All right, y'all, finally, after 2-3 hours in the freaking cold, the M5 is literally finally freaking clean, dude. Finally freaking clean. So now we're gonna move on to my favorite part. We're gonna install the spoiler first, and then we'll do the side skirts probably tomorrow, just because I have to get under the car with alcohol and wipe down the sides and still remove a little tape residue, and then we'll be good. So let's go ahead without further ado and move on to the spoiler. All right, y'all, we made it into the garage. It has got super cold, so I had to put on a freaking hoodie. But as y'all can see, we got a lot of old 3M tape still on here, and this 3M tape was really thick, so I don't know if y'all can really tell. It's like going over the edges of the spoiler. So look what I got. I hope this is good. This is the smaller 3M tape, like super thin. I think this will be good for it. So let's go ahead, let's get all this old 3M tape off and apply this new. I had stopped it because I needed to get this rubber wheel, and you literally just take this and you put, hold on guys, 1 second guys. You take this and you hook this up to the thing. Watch how fast it takes. Hold on. All right, y'all, it is literally nighttime outside. I finally got all the adhesive off the freaking spoiler. It took forever, so we're not gonna get this on tonight. I will be able to get it on first thing tomorrow morning. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna clean the side skirts off as well. And then we can get everything on first thing in the morning. Good morning, y'all. It is the next day, and look, I've already got the spoiler mocked up. We're gonna get that done. It took me forever, bro, but I cleaned off the adhesive on the side skirts. And the reason we're not putting the front lip on is because we're going on a road trip. But y'all gonna have to stay tuned for that video. So the front lip's not going on, but all this is going on. So let's go ahead, let's put some 3M tape on here and put it on the car. As y'all can see, the carbon spoiler is now back on. Ooh-wee, low-key missed it, low-key missed it. Looking good. Now, let's move on to the side skirts. All right, y'all, so we have the tape and everything on the freaking side skirt. I'm about to try to get it as perfect as I can. Hopefully I get it pretty good, but I am by myself, so we'll see. Scotch search by yourself, 0 out of 10. All right, y'all, so all the carpet is back on the car. Looking fantastic, looking phenomenal. That's gonna be it for this video. Stay tuned for another video coming at you real soon, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.